Good morning to you all. Today we are going to learn an important topic, time zones. How to calculate the time, how the time changes from one place to another place. Today we are detailedly just we understand. Before we are going to learn about the time zones, let us think about number line. Do you have an idea of numbers? Already I think you have some basics in mathematics. So we all know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These are the natural numbers. See, whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are whole numbers. See, integers are also there. -1, -2, sorry, -3, -2, -1. So on to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here we do not know where it has started, the minus value. We do not know where it ends. Numbers are infinite. There is no end for them. But so minus in minus actually they decrease. When they come towards the right, they decrease. They reach to minus 0. From 0 to right, again it increases. The value of it increases. See, here we must know one thing. -3, -2. Which is the greater and which is the smaller? -2 is the greater number and -3 is the smaller number. 0 is greater number and -1 is the smaller number. -3 is the smaller number, 3 is the greater number. Like that here, from 0 onwards towards the right, it increases. As you go towards right, it is increasing. As you are coming towards the left, it is the value of it decreases. If you understand it, you can easily understand about the time zones. Now let us come to number line. See how these are shown on a number line. See, this may be the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. The ray indicates, this is the arrow mark. This arrow mark indicates and so on. See here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, like this. See, the time zones also depends upon in the same principle. See here, for example, here as we are going towards the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that the value is increasing. -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. Here also the value is increasing. So as you come towards the left, 4, 3, 2, 1, the value decreases. 0, -1, like that the value is decreasing here. See the world, if you show the entire world on a, actually the world is, the shape of the earth is spherical, so round in shape. So I have taken here I cut the earth and it's shown on a plane surface, and it is divided into 24 time zones. Into how many time zones? 24 time zones. Straight to that. 0 degrees. See, if the entire earth is shown on a plane surface, it is the Pacific Ocean. and it is also the Pacific. Why Pacific is shown two sides because I have taken in the middle of the Pacific Ocean and I cut it and shown on the plane surface, so the Pacific can be seen on both sides of the map. So now it is 0 degrees passing through London, Greenwich. Already in the previous class I told you about the longitudes. How many longitudes are there? 360 longitudes. 360 longitudes are divided into 24 hours. Then each hour takes 15 longitudes. The sun takes 15 longitudes to cross 15 longitudes take 1 hour time. That means each longitude takes 4 minutes. Okay, the sun rays cross from one longitude to another longitude in 4 minutes of time. That means the difference between longitude to longitude is 4 minutes. The time difference is 4 minutes from one longitude to another longitude. Now let us say it is the 180 degrees and it is also the 180 degrees. This is 0 degrees, this is 180 degrees. Here, this is the Western Hemisphere. This is Western Hemisphere. Already I told you in the previous class, when the earth is vertically divided into two equal halves, then the right side part is the Eastern Hemisphere and the left side part is the Western Hemisphere. In the Eastern Hemisphere there are 179, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that up to 180. In the Western Hemisphere 1, 2, 3 like that up to 180. 180 is common for both. 0 also common for both hemispheres. Now see 15 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 105 degrees, 120 degrees, 135 degrees, 150 degrees, 165 degrees. These are eastern longitudes. 15 degrees east, 30 degrees east, 45 degrees east, 90 degrees east, 105 degrees east, 120 degrees east, 135 degrees east, 150 degrees east, 165 degrees east. 180 is common for both, so we should not denote any character here, either E or W we should not denote here. Now let us come towards it. 15 degrees west, 30 degrees west, 45 degrees west, 60 degrees west. Yeah, 60 and 75 are missing. 75 degrees west, 90 degrees west, 105 degrees west, 120 west, 135 degrees west, 150 degrees west. 165 degrees west and 180 degrees common for both. See, like this the longitudes are located on the globe. See, the sun rays starts from here to here. The sun moves from here to here. The sun moves like this. The first sunrise takes here. From the eastern hemisphere to like this, the western hemisphere he moves. See, 180 degrees to 0 degrees, the time takes 12 hours, because the difference between 0 degrees and 180 degrees is 180 degrees. See, each degree takes 4 minutes. The sun takes 4 minutes to cross each degree, each longitude. So 180 into 4, 0, 32, 4 plus 7, 20 minutes. When we divide it with 60, 0, 0 gets cancelled, and 72 by 6, that means 12 hours. 722 minutes means 720 minutes means 12 hours. So like that. See, while the sun is crossing from here to here, for example, at the 90 degrees, the time is morning 6 o'clock. What is the time at the 0 degrees? What is the time at the 0 degrees? It is in the east. So we should know one thing. EGAWLS. EGA means east. Gain. Add. WLS means west. Lose. Or loss, whatever may be. Subtract. See here, 90 degrees east, the time is 6 a.m. They asked about the 0 degrees. 0 degrees means take this as base. You are moving towards the left or west. You are moving towards the west. You have to find the time of the west, not the east. Because they asked the 0 degrees, you are at the 90 degrees east. See, you have to find the time of west. West, lose, subtract. Just you remember that. That means, what is the difference between 90 degrees to 0 degrees? How many degrees are difference? The difference is 90 degrees. For crossing each degree, how much time it takes? Sun takes time to cross each degree, each longitude. Degree ane kanna, longitude is the right word. Each longitude. How much time? 4 minutes. So then, how much time it takes to cross 90 longitudes? The difference is 90 minus 0, 90 degrees. 90 only. 90 into 4, 360. 360 means 360 minutes. Here we should mention the units. 360 minutes. 360 minutes means 6 hours. By 60 chese. If you divide 60 by 360, 360 by 60, then we will get the hours. 6 hours. See, subtract 6 hours. As you are moving towards the west, actually time is here given for 90 degrees and asked for 0 degrees. That means the west. West means subtract. How much to be subtracted? From 6 a.m. minus 6 hours. 6 a.m. minus 6 hours. That means 0 hours. 0 hours means 12 in the night. 0 hours means 12 in the night. If you observe the digital clock, after 11:59 p.m., all digits in the clock becomes 0, all zeros. That means 0 hours. 0 hours in the sense 12 o'clock in the night. Okay, see here, what is the time here now? 12 night, midnight. 12 midnight. It is also said to be the 0000 hours. 0 hours, 0 minutes. Okay, let us come to another example. See, the time is 6 a.m. at 90 degrees. 90 degrees east, not 90 degrees. We should mention the direction. Here east, at 90 degrees east, the time is 6 a.m. What is the time at 30 degrees east? What is the time at the 30 degrees east? Now, let us come to this calculation again. See, here they gave the time for 90 degrees east. They asked for 30 degrees east. What is the difference here? How many longitudes are different? See, 90 minus 30. 90 degrees minus 30 degrees. That means the difference is 60 longitudes. How much difference is there? 60 longitudes. For each longitude, how much time it takes? 4 minutes. 60 into 4 means 240 minutes. 60 into 4. 60 into 4 minutes. That means 240 minutes. 240 by 60. How much it? 0 gets cancelled. 24 by 6. That means 4 hours. The difference is 4 hours. See, here the 6 a.m. 6 a.m. means minus 4 hours. Then how much it is? 2 hours. Here it is 2 a.m. Okay, next. Let us come to another issue. We all clear here? For example, if the time is given for 15 degrees east, at the 15 degrees east, the time is, for example, 12 noon. 12 noon. What is the time at 15 degrees west? What is the time at 15 degrees west? Now we have to calculate very carefully because they gave the time for 15 degrees east and they asked for 15 degrees west. That means, what is the difference here? Here, from here to here, 15 longitudes, and from here to here, 15 longitudes. 15 plus 15, 30. Here we have to find the time for 15 degrees west. That means the difference is 30 longitudes. Sun takes 4 minutes to cross each longitude. That means 30 into 4. How much it is? 120 minutes. 120 by 60. 2 hours. It is 12 noon. The time here is 12 noon. What is the time here? They gave the time for 15 degrees east and asked for 15 degrees west. Here it is 12. 12. As you are moving towards the west, left side, the time loses. We lost the time. We lose the time. So how much we are losing here? 2 hours. That means 12 noon. 12 noon minus 2 hours. 12 in the afternoon minus 2 hours. 10 a.m. It is 10 a.m. Okay. In such a way we have to calculate the time zones. Every 15 longitudes is taken as one time zone. Sometimes some countries are following one particular time zone basing on the longitude which is passing through the middle of it. For example, India is a country which is taken as 82.5 degrees. Now, simply how to calculate. One more example I will give you to understand. India is located on the 82.5 degrees India's time zone is located on the 82.5 degrees east. See, for example, this is 0 degrees. Observe it neatly, you can understand very well. India is on this one, 82.5 degrees east. It is Indian Standard Time. The time is 82.5 degrees is given 12 noon. Now they asked for 15 degrees west. 15 degrees west. Here it is 82.5 degrees east. They asked for the time for 15 degrees west. West means 0 degrees, another side of the 0 degrees. So this side you take here 15 degrees west. For the understanding purpose, I am explaining like this. See now, here the 12 noon. What is the time here? You have to find the time for this particular longitude. First of all, you should have an idea about the difference between these two longitudes. See, 0 is in the middle. So here these are 82.5 plus these are 15. What is the total difference here? 15 plus 82. 97.5 degrees. How much difference is there? 97.5 degrees longitudes. Now, how much time to cross one longitude? 4 minutes. How many longitudes are there? 97.5. 97.5 into 4 minutes. Now let us calculate 97, then later on we can add 2 because 4 halves are 2. 7 fours are 28. 2 remain, 8 is there. 9 fours are 36. 36 plus 2, 38. 388. 388 plus 4 halves 2. 390. Okay. 22, 28 plus 2, 33, and 4 are 36 plus 3, 300, and 4 are 36, sorry, 370 minutes. 370 minutes. 0 after the point is not valid. So 370 will consider. So 370 minutes. 370 minutes convert into hours. 370 by 60. 0, 0 gets cancelled. How much is that? 6, 6 are 36. 1 remain. 6, 1 by 6. That means nearly 1 by 6 in the sense 16 and 16.6. See here, 6 hours 16 minutes. 6 hours 16 minutes is the difference. 6 hours 16 minutes. See here, 12 minus 6 hours 16 minutes. 12 noon minus 12 noon minus 6 hours 16 minutes. See here, when we borrow from here to here, 1 hour we have borrowed. These are hours. These are minutes. 1 hour is in the sense not 100, 60 minutes. So when you borrow 1 from here to here, then it becomes 11. 12 becomes 11. 0, 0 becomes 60 because 60 minutes equals to 1 hour, not 100. Just remember that. In the time if you borrow, so 0 becomes 6, not 100, not 10. 60 minus 16, 44 minutes. 11 minus 6, 5. 5 hours 14. The time is 5 hours 44 minutes. 5 hours 44 minutes. See, it is known. It is, see, we are coming towards the west. So the time loses. That means 5 hours 44 minutes AM. Okay. Another example let us take. When the time is 12 noon at the 0 degrees. What is the time at the 45 degrees east? 45 degrees east. See here, the time is given for 0 degrees. They asked for 45 degrees. They asked for 45 degrees east. The difference is 45 longitudes. How many longitudes are there? 45 longitudes. The difference is 45 longitudes. 45 to cross one longitude, the sun takes 4 minutes. That means 45 into 4. How much it is? 190. 45 twos are 90. 45 fours are 180. 180 minutes. 180 minutes. Convert into hours. 180 by 60. Then 3 hours. It is 12 noon. Then what is the time here? See, you should observe one thing. You are going towards the east. Till now we have seen the west. Now we are going towards the east. We should find the time for east. East gain add. East gain add. The time gains. So when you go towards it, this, what happens? Then automatically 3 hours adds. 12 noon plus 3 hours. That means noon plus 3 hours 15 hours. 15 hours is equals to 3 p.m. 15 hours equals to 3 p.m. So in such a way, when we go towards the east, the time gains. When you come towards the west, the time loses. Sometimes there is a difference in timings. See here, we have taken as this one as the base, international date line, anti-meridian. This is also called as anti-meridian. 180 degrees longitude is also called as anti-meridian or international date line. See here, from here to here, if you go, the time gets loose because it is the western hemisphere and it is the eastern hemisphere. East to west, west to east, the time loses because one day will be disappeared if you jump from here to here, because the sun ray starts from here. So it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. If you come from east to west, automatically one day automatically will be lost. That means here the date is 25th, the date here will be the 24th. So if you come like this, as you go towards the east, it is also east, that's why we are losing. As you are going towards the east, the time gains, that means adds. That means automatically the time one day will be disappear from here to here. If you come from here to here, one day will be back to we lose one day. We have to subtract one day. That means for example here it is 25th, here 24th, here 26th, here it will be 27th, because we have taken as a base one. Okay, there is no particular principle, but the entire world came to an agreement that the 180 degrees as the international date line because there is no end point on the earth. So one line has taken as the base for them. In such a way, this is decided as the international date line. Some of the islands in USA are crossing 180 degrees. So that is also, they are also considered in the Western Hemisphere's time, American time. That's why it is adjusted in some of the areas. Basing on the countries and their ruling, this timeline, the date line is slightly adjusted. Manual adjustment had done. Okay, I think it is betterly understood by you. Even if you don't understand, no problem. You message me, you ask your doubt, I will clarify it. Thank you very much.